Right, we're taking the drive out towards Bikini Beach as I warned you. Let's see how long it takes. Let's see if I can reverse out of here safely. That's the fishing harbour just down there. We'll go there now, it's a bit busy. But coming past the hotel. It's got its own diesel backup generators, which is quite handy. Really helps in the regular power outages. We've got one tonight at 8 p.m. So all batteries must be charged before then. Enjoy the ride. Here we come, Bikini Beach. Oh. Come. Let's take a ride towards Gordons Bay Mountain. Straight ahead. Close the window, you can hear me a little bit better. Hopefully it's still working. Microphone on. I think the best solution is perhaps to go over the mountain. Or should we just take a drive along the beachfront? Hang on, let's just do that. It's kind of interesting. Let's see, there's a bit of a stop here, lots of taxis coming through. One taxi. Two taxis. Three taxis. And cars. Okay, he's going to take too long. May as well just go on through. Avignon guest house on your left. I don't know if it's still a guest house. It used to belong to Realcore back in the day, before they went bankrupt, rather suspiciously. Right. There's the turn to Gordons Bay beachfront. There's a lovely little beach there, lots of palm trees. And one of my favorite resorts on the left there, Bikini Beach bookshop, Bikini Bookshop. The restaurant scene on beachfront of Gordons Bay is really quite upbeat. Property here is of a premium, of course, with such a view and proximity to the beach. In the summer, on the weekends straight ahead, it can get quite crowded, a bit on the noisy side, so I prefer to stay away from here in the summer. In the winter, it's a lot less crowded and just as pretty. Perhaps prettier because our winter is the rainy season. I used to store my surfboard in that ground there straight ahead. Oh, when I say surfboard, I used to go surf skiing. So I had a great big 3-meter surf ski. And we'd paddle out towards Claymont side. There's the Navy. Not much of a Navy force. I think I've got a life raft or something. That's the harbour parking lot. And let's go straight ahead to Bikini Beach. There we are. What we all been waiting for. Look at that. Look at all the frangipanis. They're in full bloom at the moment. Smells absolutely delicious. Really nice. Tell you what, if I park here in the shade, which seems like a good idea, it's nice and cool, then I can probably take you for a walk over there by the tidal pool.